Dipped in chocolate vlogs are fire. Dipped in chocolate vlogs eat. Dipped in chocolate vlogs are the best. Period.
Follow Dipped in Chocolate on her social.
Guys, so welcome back to another YouTube video here in Dipped in Chocolate. So today we'll be going to airport road to watch fireworks to ring in our new year. So this is Danique and this is me and this is us. So yeah, just continue watching 2024.
Badly. I'll get him the way. Ask me if him the way.
Ask him when there.
Oh.
No, somebody had do that. You're frightening me for. You like it, man, make somebody. And in the all inclusive, don't it? No. I don't know that. I know. Hey, Siri, call Bradley Taylor.
Yeah, man, pistol.
Last time they run longer. Yeah. Yeah, man. What is he put on upgrade, man? Must he do what is it?
Food truck.
No, man, I just see nice.
Nice, just a rich Bradley then. The nice, the car that was pass. Waterfront, it's Chianti. It's Chianti. So look like yesterday them come, them abandoned down there and come yesterday. Keep them like. Yeah, true.
Okay, guys. So it's what time is it? It's 11:40. It is 11:40, and we are waiting at 11:50. I screamed at it. I screamed. Guys, so it's 11:40. Yeah, so we're trying to park the car. And be bad bitches. I think we're gonna sit on rocks, but due to how far them I go, guys, I don't think we're gonna be sitting on rocks.
Yeah, rocks go straight up.
You sure? Cause I feel like we're at the entrance. You realize? Look. Oh, look. Yeah, look.
Why Instagram? I could have download because why? My service when I download. I know countdown time it. No, somebody go on Google and type in countdown.
Countdown, yeah.
So we can see how the countdown go.
I'm gonna show it all
Everybody have video. Nobody can go on Google right now. How so far?
Oh,
Where there? Yeah.
I don't do so?
No, I don't want
This?
So far? Wait there.
No, man, a people on that. Watch out, all over. A people. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! I walk around that. I wonder when they. No one looks so. No man, they want to skip. They made daddy. Hey.
Waterfront now get now look at something. You can't believe this now.
What is? What is the red one there?
I want one to come, man.
No, the red one there. What to the red one there? You look scary now.
Where you look, Kayla? Yeah.
one Africa come.
I'm even excited no more.
No, one Africa come. I can't this.
No,
No, this is the. No, I didn't see. Look over there, so bomba look there. I clap as them up in the sky.
No, I can't believe this dog. Damn.
So then baby, push it down.
What
this.
that? Just go
This.
on the video, man. Just...
That one bad.
That's me. So we could have let them see me, you know. God, no, thank God for life.
And the fact that some more people
We
here
hit to
now
2024.
Jaja.
That's all?
Maybe you would there first.
Maybe.
But it's nice though.
No, man, no.
Oh, but yes, have the buzz. Jesus Christ, what are you? What is? What is Saga? You just look damn scary. Like some fallen angel. Look at it. Watch it. Fallen angel. Woo! This Saga just jumping on the wall.
Okay, now what that in front of me?
Wow.
A flare.
It just looks scary, don't it? It looks like some fallen angel. Oh my God, I know. Nah, like where's that angle themselves? Then get money for this. My bad, rock. You smell it. Run.
Yo, easy up for the big stuff. Don't know what they want to do.
So what are they now? Thunder. Done. I want to see this close up. Like a mug shot.
So this is come on.
Not yet. Disaster. Yeah. Don't move the light. So my chocolate babies is now basically after one now. We're still on Airport Road walking. We're just strolling on the road. Everybody's going home and all that. So for my New Year's resolution, I want to be the best version of Makhalia, of dipped in chocolate, of black vodka, of every version of myself. I saw a quote earlier today that it said, if you knew you weren't going to fail, how big would you dream? So I want to dream the biggest. Yes guys, we're in the ghetto, so don't watch the noise. If I knew that I wasn't going to fail at all, how big would I dream? So I want to dream the biggest of 2024. I want to push myself to the utmost limit. I want to come out of my shell even more, because I don't feel like I am at my full potential when it comes to things that I'm supposed to get done. I want to get better on my social media. I want to be out there. This year is my year. And you know, people always say, oh, this year is a year, but this year is my year. And I want to get closer with God. I want to, you know, I want to just do everything. But guys, I hope all of you guys make a resolution. 2023 was a good year for me. I saw a lot of persons saying that, oh, 2023 was not good for them. It was actually good for me. I did a lot of stuff that was on my resolution list. I did a lot of stuff that was on my bucket list also. So it was definitely a good year for me, but I did not complete everything. But this year, trust and believe that I will go further and I will do bigger things. So just watch out for Dipped in Chocolates videos coming up, because I won't make a move without y'all knowing. Y'all will know maybe after, during, most likely after or during, maybe not before, because I don't want to jinx it, but I'm gonna know. So just go and live good, love, stay wonderful, continue to love and show support to my contents, and just be the wonderful persons you guys are. So happy new year, and may God continue to bless and restore you guys. Bye. Happy new year.